Crude oil and natural gas traded in a very narrow range today, while it is crude oil which has shown a signs of little retracement on the upside, while it is natural gas which has erased some of the gains from yesterday and again sitting at the lows here. Natural gas storage data might bring little volatility into net gas prices. Which direction the oil and gas gonna take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions trading across geographies. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, crude oil after the drop all the way towards 61.5 has retraced all the way towards 62.5. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that 62.5, 62.8, 63, these are the resistances which oil has to break. And beyond this, you can expect bullishness to prevail. What has happened so far after the drop? It is retraced. Now, I'll wait for oil to trade beyond 62.5, 62.6 zone in order to confirm the next move, possibly towards 63. Right now, I can see a little struggle here on the upside. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with little retracement, rising here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, see on the 2-hour charts, 20 period, we have discussed this. See, whenever prices diverge from 20 period, it converges, and now 20 period offering it a little resistance. So just let it stay beyond 62 point, and this might confirm the next round of rise, possibly towards 62.8, 63 zone. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness here, while the RSI is also showing a bit of rise. On the 3-hour, what has happened on the 3-hour chart? See a flat top, then the drop here, retracement, 20 period of a little resistance, and it is trying to reverse. But also now you can see 62 has offered it a little support. So now if you see it is staying below 62, you can take a sell. But with the writer that 61.7, 61.4 the next, and 61 the third, three support levels. Any drop below 61 will confirm the next move towards $60 zone. The stochastic has dropped here. When you see the MACD, it is crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness here. The RSI is rising, which is a supportive sign for further bullishness. On the 4-hour charts, when you see what has happened on the 4-hour charts, resistance from 20 period, and since then the prices are trading in this aggressively bearish channel. Very important for oil to trade beyond 63, 63.6 and 64. Beyond 64, more bullishness should be seen here. Possibly if it closes above 64, in fact we can see oil prices moving all the way towards 66 very soon. But remember, oil is not showing such a strength here. It is trading very weak here. It appears that the bulls are absent completely, and bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. So now I'll wait for it to stay above 62.5, expect it to move towards 62.8, 63. And if 63 is taken, possibly we are waiting to see 63.4, 63.5, the next target, and beyond this 64 should be seen. Beyond 64 is the place you can confirm the bulls be back, and then a stronger rally could be seen. But right now it is struggling here. Stochastic has retraced. See, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, and it is trading with moderate bullishness. This may continue on the upside for a RSI is starting to rise here. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? You can see lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, diminishing bearishness is seen. The body size is smaller, but it is yet to break beyond yesterday's high. So I'll wait for it to break beyond yesterday's high, and once it trades beyond 63, you can expect the bulls to take over, possibly towards 63.4, 63.5. And if that is taken, then this might confirm a reversal towards 64, and a move beyond 64 should confirm a possible reversal towards 66. But right now it is struggling here. It is not showing any strength here. The moving averages are definitely trading bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold here, while the MACD is bearish and the RSI is at bottom. So things are still very much bearish here on the indicators part. But looking at the chart, it appears oil might try to show a little reversal or retracement. So now, before I provide you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAF free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So now first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy oil if you see it is staying beyond 62.5, where we can expect it to move towards 62.8, 63 as the first target zone. And if 63 is taken, expect it to move towards 63.4. And if that is taken, then possibly we are going to see 63.8, 64 as the next target. And beyond 64, remember, very, very soon oil prices are going to head towards 66, 68. But right now, it is not showing any strength. It is not showing any bullishness here. On the downside, now I'll recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 62. If you see the higher price below 62, take a sell. Expect 61.7, 61.4, and if that is taken, then 61. It is below 61 where the bears are waiting, where 60 is the next target which it would like to achieve. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas today, you can see the bearishness was sharp, the retracement was gradual, again a drop, but it is yet to break below yesterday's low. And hence we have to wait. We have to wait for natural gas to now trade below 2.84 zone in order to confirm bearishness. As long as 2.84 is not taken, you should not be taking a selling entry. Yes, below 2.84, we can expect now natural gas to move towards 2.8 and 2.78 levels, which is the strongest support here on the downside. Any move below 2.78 is a confirmation of a greater correction in making, while I can see a greater support right now at the current level. And now if you see natural gas about 2.88, you can buy. However, it has to now stay beyond 2.98 or 2.9 to 2.94 zone in order to confirm the next up move here. See, the stochastic is starting to rise. MACD has seen a good retracement. If you look at the waves, possibly this could take a dip towards the bottom, but right now it is not showing weakness. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls. The storage data today, the net gas storage data today, might add on to the volatility. Look at the 2 hour charts. Prices waited for the 20 period to come down, retraced towards 20 period, getting it a little resistance, trying to drop again. Any drop below 2.84 should confirm further bearishness. Else, right now it is under retracement, but very, very important for gas to break beyond 2.9 to 2.94 zone. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Look at 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, every time it takes a dip and the prices diverges from the 20 period, we can always see a convergent move towards the 20 period. And hence, at the current level, you have to be extremely careful. Only if it trades beyond 2.9 to 2.94, we can say that now natural gas is reversing. Beyond 2.94 is where the bulls are waiting, and then where you can confirm $3 is going to be the next target. Right now it is not suggestive of such a move. And remember, in the near term, now natural gas has to break past the critical resistance at 3.2. Stochastic bearish here, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness rising here, RSI rising as well. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, after the drop, it is staying in the zone, waiting for it to give you a breakout here. Once it trades beyond 2.9 to 2.94, possibly the next targets are going to be all the way towards 3. But right now, it is trading with little weakness. We have to wait for it to take a direction. It is staying in a zone as of now. Stochastic bearish, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, which is a supportive sign for further rise. The RSI is at bottom. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? See the resistance here from 20 period, then the drop. It can possibly bounce back, but then it is pretty important for gas to trade beyond 3.2. And the first milestone it has to break is at 3.05 levels, and then 3.1112, and then 3.15, 3.2. Greater resistances till 3.2 are available for natural gas. It requires a lot much of strength for it to confirm the complete reversal. Now notice what has happened for the last two candles. Here is a little bounce back. Today it is started with a double top, already seen the lows. Either it trades below 2.84, then possibility for 2.8, 2.78 will increase. And if that is taken, we can see the next move towards 2.7, 2.72. But right now I can see a possible reversal on the upside, where we can see prices moving all the way towards 3 in the next couple of candles. So now if you see it is staying above 2.88 levels, specifically the lower price has to be about 2.885. Expect 2.9192 as the first target zone, 2.9495 as the second. And if these two levels are taken, we can expect the prices to move towards 3. Beyond 3 is where the bulls are waiting. 3.05, 3.1112, 3.15 and 3.2, the next targets. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Thank you.